Jenga Kool-Aid, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Jenga, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Build the tower, then lay the game board next to it with the pole 3 space closest to the tower. Place the Kool-Aid Man loading tray with its lead corner on the start space. Pick a player to go first, then play initially moves to the left. On your turn, roll the die and perform the action. Single block. Remove the number of blocks from the tower as indicated on the Kool-Aid Man space, one at a time, placing them on top of the tower. 2 times block. Remove and place twice the number of blocks as indicated on the Kool-Aid Man space. Move 1 and move 2. Move the Kool-Aid Man forward 1 or 2 spaces as indicated, then remove blocks from the tower as indicated on the Kool-Aid Man space and place them on top. If the die shows the reverse sign, then the direction of play reverses. Skip. Play skips you and passes to the next player. If the Kool-Aid Man reaches the tower and smashes through it, the player who makes the tower fall must yell, "Oh yeah!" like the Kool-Aid Man. The last player to successfully stack a block on the tower without it falling wins.